You guys really know how to trouble me, seriously. After much consideration, I decided to take a drive around Enugu to see what is going on and what is new in the city. A lot of you requested to see the progress of work at the city bus terminal and the new Enugu city. But as a caring person that I am, I decided to visit all the ongoing project sites in the city, well, as much as I could. Anyway, you guys should take it easy with all these requests, because as you know, Abaya Kefu Wateze. First, we visited the Government Technical College, GTC, Enugu, where the government are doing a total reconstruction of the school. I am not entirely happy that the whole structure in the school was pulled down. I have always wanted the school to be remodeled, but not leveled completely. But anyway, this is GTC Enugu being reconstructed. While construction is going on in GTC, there is also an ongoing construction at GSS, the state government Smart School Initiative. Our next stop was the ongoing bus terminal at Holy Ghost. Ever since this project started, I have been coming here or passing through, and work has always been going on. So, this is the current state of the bus terminal at Holy Ghost. From Holy Ghost, we went to International Conference Center at Independent Layout and Presidential Hotel. And these are the projects going on in and around the place. This is a video of International Conference Center, and this is a hotel within the premises. Work is going on there, while at Presidential Hotel, nothing seems to be happening at the moment. And sincerely, since the remodeling of the hotel started, work has always been very, very slow there. Well, I hope they complete it in due time. There is also a project going on close to the government's house, but I don't know if it is a state government project or not. Most of you know that the state government recently awarded a contract to reconstruct the abandoned hospital close to the International Conference Center. Currently, it seems as if they want to pull down the old structure and rebuild it. This is what is happening there right now. You all know that there was a city beautification that has to do with the rebuilding of some of the roundabouts within the city. So this is the current state of the Sarah Road roundabout, and sincerely, I prefer the old one to this one. This is the current state of Otigba roundabout. I love what they did here. While this is Ogi roundabout, and I love what they did here too. This is Area Market roundabout. Love this one too, especially the fact that they brought back the sculpture at the roundabout. The Onasta roundabout was also remodeled, and that's where the Ijere masquerade was installed. Unfortunately, I did not make a video because it wasn't ready as of the time that this video was made. Our next stop was the Gariki bus terminal, and this is the state of the terminal. From Gariki, we headed to Ekobinago, where a flyover construction is going on. After that, we visited some of the sites for the proposed new Enugu city. As for now, the only thing going on there are road constructions. On our way back, we stopped by at Artisan Bridge that collapsed a year back, and the bridge is almost complete. There are works going on in and around the city of Enugu, especially in the area of road construction. And this is it. This is some of the things happening within the city of Enugu. I hope I did what I promised I was going to do. Ngwakodino for now.